In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make dotted lines in Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, mastering simple techniques like creating dotted lines can significantly enhance the overall look of your designs. It's quick, easy, and can add a touch of professionalism to any of your projects. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First, let's begin by opening Figma, the popular collaborative interface design tool. Once you've reached the Figma homepage, simply click on the Login button to access your account. If you haven't visited Figma before, you'll find this straightforward process beneficial for accessing numerous design tools and features. Once you're logged in, navigate to Figma's home section. This area serves as the central hub for all your design projects and gives you a clear view of any files you've been working on or collaborating with team members. From there, locate the design test project or the specific file where you wish to create a dotted line. Getting comfortable with these initial steps will make sure you're geared up for creating and editing designs effortlessly. Next, you'll need to select the line tool. By clicking on this, you're setting yourself up to create various line styles within your project. Now draw a line by clicking and dragging your cursor across the design area. This line will be the base for your dotted effect, so feel free to adjust its length and orientation according to your design vision. After you have successfully created a line, direct your attention to the stroke section in the settings panel. Clicking on stroke will present options for customizing your line's appearance, offering a world of possibilities to experiment with styles and forms. Now, for the crucial part, we'll adjust the advanced stroke settings. Go ahead and click on this option, which will bring forth additional settings you can tweak. With the advanced stroke settings open, click on the Style button. This is the key to transforming your solid line into a dotted one. Scrolling through the styles, you'll see different options that allow you to tailor the line's aesthetic to suit your design needs perfectly. Finally, select the dashed option from the Style menu. This action will effectively convert your plain line into a sleek, professional dotted line. Feel free to modify settings like dash length and gap width to refine the dotted effect exactly as you envision. And there you have it, you've successfully created a dotted line in Figma, adding a clean visual element to your design. As always, practice these steps to become more familiar and quicker with the tool. With these newfound skills, your creativity has just expanded, making room for even more innovative design possibilities.